If you're experiencing FPS drops in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly enhance game performance. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Cyberpunk 2077 and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. Experiment with different settings to find the balance between visual fidelity and performance. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to FPS drops. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed while gaming. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to System Properties, select the performance options, and choose Adjust for best performance. Additionally, ensure that your power settings are set to high performance in the control panel. Step 5. Monitor hardware performance. Use monitoring software to check your CPU and GPU temperatures and usage while playing. If temperatures are too high, consider cleaning your hardware or improving cooling solutions. High temperatures can lead to throttling, causing FPS drops. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.